Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to put two videos in one screen on CapCut PC. So if you want to add both of your clips on one frame, then you're onto the right guide. So the first thing that we need to do is to add in the videos that we want to use. And for us to be able to do that, under the media section, we could see the import. So you could just simply click onto this to browse onto your different files or simply drag and drop the videos that you want to use in here. So if you want to go ahead and use also some videos that CapCut offers, you could just browse their library in here. Now, since we have added two videos in here, we're going to click onto the plus icon to add this onto our timeline. So as you can see, we're just going to mute that one. We have two videos already added, and we're going to have the other one added here onto the upper part so that they will play at the same time. So let's remove the access in here. And then for us to be able to proceed, we're going to go ahead and adjust this. So there are different options that you could do. So this is the one that we have onto the background. We could have this one played out here onto the bottom part. And as you can see, it will go ahead and play at the same time, just like that. Or you could do the same thing. You could make this one shorter, just like that. So you could actually design this as per your liking. You could have both of them played out at the same time, just like that. Or you could simply crop this and just leave the parts that you want to show onto the video. We can make this bigger, just like that, and have the other video as well added in here. Let's make this fit the screen. And as you can see, both of the videos will play at the same time. So you could utilize the crop option also in here to crop in the video so that it should be easier for you to edit them, just like that. And if you play this, it should look something like this. And that is just basically it on how you put two videos in one screen on CapCut PC. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.